Okay.
Hallo.
Det går du.
Tôi chuẩn xem mua như chỉ sắc.
Mau cũng yêu con mày xê phải mau ấy mà mau phải quá.
Nè yo uya đấy vậy vậy
Cũng mà cũng vậy 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 mà phải sang người ta lột phá. Ở cái đó em mau qua mau em phải được không?
I am up here in the mountains. I'm going to see my cousin Ken. We're going to go camping out in the bush. So I'm pretty excited. So we went to the neighbor and asked if we could have some more Samoa, which is Samoan chicken. It's a lot more gamier, so we bought one from them for 20 tala. And we're going to cook it tonight at the camp. Got the chicken that we asked for. The neighbor just dropped it off. I don't know how I feel about cooking him. I'm sorry, man.
Aqui por vem cá, vai.
Wild lemons. Got a few. Make a pretty good drink. White tea polo. We found our camp spot. Alright guys, that's our setup.
Cái gì mà phải nhìn. Có pauan mereka ada. Bạn nói mà ai cũng biết.
Không có mà ai về nghe tay được thôi. Dapat tengok kamera ni. Dapat tengok. Fai pacca. Nicely, right? Come on. Thank you.
Okay.
So good. Fai culo l'aria.
Mana ni nak ramai.
Wow, o peixe mesmo.
O peso.
Tao ở đâu là nó.
Gà đốt phô vui á, yêu để kinh Phật.
Cái siêu mà này.
Sự mong kinh vậy.
Gì vậy?
Vacation đấy. Không đúng mình.
Oi, wait. क्या खाऊं रे? I bought some of that banana with me. 5 baka. 5 baka. It's ripe, but it's got like a dark color to it. It's nice. Tried some already. It's delicious. And it's a lot bigger than the normal bananas. This is a smaller one. Look at that. It's a lot more dense. Time to go for a swim. Woo. It is starting to get dark now. Had a nice swim in a nice cool water. Just about get ready for dinner. More Samoa is very gamey because I don't know why. But Samoa chicken is very different to the chicken that you buy in the supermarket and the chicken that you get overseas. It's delicious and very healthy. The only thing is it takes about an hour to cook, so that's almost done now. Over there. Ken's over there making some coffee. Oh, Ken. I'm in a hammock. I can't complain. That's the view there. Look at that. Finland.
Good.
That's it. How you do? All right, let's give it a try. Nice soup. Let's give this a bite. This is the banana, the ripe one that we picked up earlier. Put in the pot as well. Oh man, yeah. Some of the bok choy. That's how dark it is. Waiting for the fire to come on. This happened in a couple of seconds. Minutes, in minutes. It started overflowing. That's where we were camped up at. This is what happens when it rains up here in the mountains. The creeks overflow. So you want to be on the other side because it gets a lot stronger than this at higher.